Hello there and welcome to today's video, and yes, it's another Christmas themed polymer clay tutorial, and this time in the form of a little Robin Redbreast. So let's go see how I made him. So to start, I've got some light brown clay here in just a kind of ball shape really for my robin's heads. So now I can add some eye sockets just with my medium-sized ball tool here. And I have a list of the tools that I use down below in description. So now I can add some eyeballs and just press those down once I'm happy with them. And some pupils, nice and easy. And I've got some orange clay here for his beak, so I just need to fashion that into, well, a beak shape really, and then pop that on. And incidentally, if you're finding that your elements aren't sticking well, it's really because your clay isn't conditioned very well, so you'll just need to go back and do that again. So I need to make his redbreast now, so I've got some lovely glittery clay here, and with a round cutting tool I'll just make a shape that, you know, I'm happy with. I'll just go around the sides with my wet wipe to ensure that it's nice and neat, and then pop that onto just a very basic body shape really. And I'll go around with my wet wipe to ensure that it's secured well onto the body. And now for some craft wire and some liquid Fimo, just to ensure that it sticks well during and after baking. And just press that together so it's nice and secure. So I need to make his wings now, so I'm just going to cut this circle in half, and what I need to do is just cut at an angle just at the ends here, and I'm doing this because they should attach to the robin's body a little better. So I'll just pop those on like so, and it might take a moment just to position them in a place that you're happy with. There we go. And I'll use my wet wipe again just to really try and coax that clay together, and I'll make some easy feet just with the orange clay again and pop on those. There's one. And there's two. And because it's freezing cold at the moment, certainly is here, I'm going to give him a scarf in a vibrant green to contrast against his red belly. So I'll just pull that together at the back, and I'll add in some detail on these pieces here just with my scalpel. And for this one I'll cut at an angle so that it will secure better to the scarf underneath. So I'll just press that on, and there's the second piece. And obviously this one's shorter, so it gives the impression that it's coming under the scarf. So I'm going to give him a Santa hat, so I've got a stretch of white clay here, and I'll add in some detail with my ball tool. And with the red glittery clay again, I'll just make a very basic cone shape really, and wrap the white stretch around and pull together. And I'll use my ball tool again here to hide any seam. And I'll pop on a bobble. Added a little more detail. And I'll pop in some craft wire again onto his head. And pop on my Santa hat. And just any finishing touches can be done now. So my little Robin Redbreast is all done and ready to bake. and at this point you'll need to refer to your own brand of polymer clays baking instructions. If you'd like some further Christmas themed polymer clay tutorials, I'll leave a couple there for you to hopefully pique your interest, but I'll also leave a link to my playlist down below, and I've got a fair few on there now actually from previous years as well, so by all means go and check those out, and I'll be back really soon with another tutorial for you. So take care, have a great weekend, bye!